Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to take a look at a very special pair of boots that Peng made for me for this patina contest that we're doing. And it's a late entry, so they weren't done. But let's take a look at what these are. These are horse butt, and this is just a gorgeous boot, monkey boot. You see the stitch down construction. Got a split reverse in the back, so the front, and just monkey boot. Your sole is a full sole. Dr. Sole, super great. So very interesting boots. So I'm going to take these out. Now, Peng is not a retailer, he's a shoemaker. So, he does things to protect his boots, in flight, but not any frills, I think I would call it. And you can tell that by the packaging. But when you look at how these boots are made, they are exquisitely made. Now, when you go inside, we'll take a look at, first of all, these speed hooks. I've had problems with speed hooks on a number of boots, as you guys have seen. This does not look like a pair that I'm going to have trouble with. These are really built to last. And part of the reason why his reputation is so good. Now, he's very busy. He has had some trouble with production, but he's done really, really good by me. See this? He included a couple of pairs of laces. And then take a look inside. It's unlined. He has a heel counter sewn in here. So very, very simple, basic. Allows you to patina the leather without frills. So just looking at the coloring, the texture, all of these things, this is going to be one exciting pair of boots. So just a very quick look as we get started. I will have pictures and everything up through the stitch down patina Thunderdome. Look forward to your feedback as we embark on this crazy project. Now, these are open category, not work category, because I do not have the type of job where I would wear these every day.